But Tata Consumer numbers flashing on your screen down there. Net profit at around 404 crores. Revenue at around that 4,966 odd crores versus an estimate of 4,700 odd crores. So revenue has come in as a beat. Net profit up 11% at 404 crores versus 354 crores. So net profit also slightly better than what it did last year. The expectation was that it will be a flat quarter for both EBITDA as well as the net profit. But even in terms of where the EBITDA stands, the estimates, it's slightly better than what the street estimates are in terms of where Tata Consumer is concerned. We're seeing that bump up in the counter as well. Up
1% right now. Let's just pull up the stock and see what the stock is doing in trade as we speak, because a 17 to 18% jump in terms of your top line is what you're looking at. Profits around 11%. 404 is the number that you're tracking so far, and margins become absolutely crucial as well to watch out for. In fact, consumption has been a space that the street has been watching out for, because it was slightly somber over the last couple of quarters. Right now as well, the 404 number is above the street estimates of around 367 odd crores in terms of where profitability is concerned. If you talk about the revenue number as well, 4,966, that number is also slightly ahead of what the street was estimating. So in terms of your top line and bottom line, both these numbers are above expectations, and likewise in terms of margins as well. That number at around 13.5% is above what the street was estimating. Till Mahima just does her number crunching, let me get in Tapan to get his quick view. Tapan, what are you making of the initial fine print that has come in with regards to where Tata Consumer goes? Because the stock is seeing a spike right now. Your top line, bottom line, margins, all the three numbers are above, your consensus estimates.
Yeah, I'm quite positive on Tata Consumer, and even the numbers see it's quite better. And now if you see very few FMCG company, even because of GST cut, is able to show double digit, because they have to do some adjustment. Their brand portfolio is good. Even the margin expansion is slowly and gradually kicking in, and you can see in the profitability also. They are going to launch some premium products also, and the international division is doing good. Even the segment wise growth, tea coffee segment is quite doing good. And looking at the result, current result, whatever you told, I think it looks good. So yes, this is the stock now one can accumulate for a long term, slowly and gradually.
Interesting.
Anything else that you're picking up, Mahima, on that?
Yeah, I think the Indian business is where the growth on the top line is coming in from. 17.5% is the growth overall in the domestic business. The international business also has done fairly well at that 15.3% mark. I think what will be interesting is to know the commentary, because despite of the GST rate cut and rationalization that they would have had to do this quarter, it's a good growth that has come in for Tata Consumer. Even the kind of commentary, of course, in the recent acquisitions also will be something that we'll be watching out for. But it seems to be a fairly
in the
good
business
quarter.
growth, has that been the trend for the other companies as well, if you have to look at the names which have reported numbers so far, Mahima?
So for Godrej Consumer, India business has done very well. Guam has done very well, but Indonesia had been a drag, because of which the overall top line did take a beating. For Nestle, again here the story was that the domestic business has done slightly better than the international business. So I think yes, the common commentary this time has also been that domestic business has done fairly well, and this could be probably because of the kind of push that government has made with the GST rate rationalization. Demand is picking up, and the common commentary for FMCG companies has also been that now from here on, second half is going to be better than the first half once the rate rationalization impact is already done. So that's with regards to where Tata Consumer stands. The stock up around 0.6%, cooled off a tad bit, but at almost, at its day's high point, 1% as we speak now.